If you're wondering how you can share your location on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I'll show you how you can do that. Now to share your location, first of all, just go to Settings, and over here just tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Location Services, and make sure you enable Location Services. After you enable Location Services, then just go to your home screen and open the Find My app on your iPhone. Now from here, just tap on People at the bottom of the screen. Now to share your location, just tap on Start Sharing Location, or just tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just select the contacts with which you want to share your location. For an example, I will select this contact. Now just tap on Done. And from this pop-up menu, just select the time duration for which you want to share your location with the selected contact. As you can see, you have the option for 1 hour, until the end of the day, and indefinitely. And if you select indefinitely, you will always share your location unless you disable it later from here. For an example, I will select for 1 hour, and after you do that, you will start sharing your location with the selected contact. And if you go to your home screen and if you open the Messages app, now just select the contact with which you are sharing your location. Now if you go to the profile of the selected contact, as you can see, we are sharing our location with this contact. Now if you want to stop sharing your location, you can tap on Stop Sharing My Location from here, or you can go back to the Find My app, and from here just tap on the contact with which you are sharing your location. And over here, just select Stop Sharing My Location. Just like that. And by doing that, you'll stop sharing your location with the selected contact. And this is how you can share your location on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.